Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I will guide you how to use mktcare to how to post on Facebook Reels. If you didn't know, mktcare is the software that can help you manage multiple Facebook accounts and how to post, how to comment, how to interact. Okay, and let's see the video and see how I do it. Okay, you can see in the left corner of the software that there is a post function here. Then you can see the post reel profile. Okay, first you will need to add the reels into the software. Okay, back to the content management. Okay, you can create a category. I will name it like a reel profile. Okay, you will see the category here. Then you click in the add post button here. Choose the category. Okay, you can name the post title. Okay, this is very important that you need to choose the type of the content. Here, reel. Okay, and you choose your short video. Okay, I will try this content. Okay, after you have content, you can go back to the post reel profile here. Okay, and select the content that you already add on it. Okay, you can set the time between posts. You can set up from 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, switch accounts if consecutive error is 3 times. Available content. General content configuration. Okay, you can tag followers or highlights if you want. You can also comment after successful post. Here, you enter the content that you want to comment on the post after finish. Okay, finally, you just need to choose the accounts list. I will try this one. Okay, and click start here. Very simple. Oh, okay, I will say again, our software will use the anti-detect browser. Okay, so that will very safe for your accounts. You can check the process here. Okay, it's finished now, so you can check in the post history, or you can back to account management. Okay, let's check it. Okay, this is my content. Okay, you can take a look. Okay, this feature is very useful and save time for you. If you want to try this software or you want to buy it, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp that I pinned below. See you in the next video.